Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore 10 SUVs that could drain your wallet due to high prices, expensive maintenance, or questionable efficiency. Number 10. BMW X6M. The 2024 BMW X6M is a powerhouse that blends speed and luxury in a striking package. Its coupe-like silhouette sets it apart on the road, and under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering an impressive 617 horsepower. This enables the X6M to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, offering an exhilarating driving experience. However, such performance comes at a steep price. The base model starts at $128,100, but with optional extras like merino leather upholstery and the Climate Comfort package, the cost can quickly soar beyond $150,000. Fuel efficiency is another concern, averaging only 13 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. Spirited driving can lower these numbers even further, making fuel stops a frequent necessity. Maintenance costs are significant due to high-performance brakes and large 21-inch front and 22-inch rear wheels. The stiff chassis provides excellent stability but can make uneven roads a challenge, potentially compromising ride comfort. The X6M demands a financial commitment that goes beyond the purchase price, making it a vehicle for those who prioritize performance over practicality. Number 9. The Ford Expedition Max. The Ford Expedition Max is built for those who need ample space, power, and capability. With seating for up to 8 and a cavernous cargo area, it's perfect for large families or those who require significant hauling capacity. Powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, it provides robust performance but at the expense of fuel efficiency. The base price starts around $55,000, but platinum trims can exceed $80,000. Adding options like towing packages, premium audio systems, and advanced safety features can further escalate the price. Fuel efficiency stands at 17 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, but these figures decrease when the vehicle is fully loaded or towing. Maintenance costs are higher due to its size and complexity, and larger SUVs like the Expedition Max may depreciate faster than smaller vehicles. While it delivers on space and capability, the financial implications might give you pause, so it's important to evaluate whether its offerings align with your needs and budget. Number 8. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or G-Wagon, is an iconic SUV that combines luxury with formidable off-road capability. Its boxy design and status symbol appeal come with a significant price tag. The G550 model starts at $139,900, while the AMG G63 begins at $179,000. Customization options can elevate the price well over $200,000. Fuel efficiency is modest, approximately 13 miles per gallon city and 17 miles per gallon highway, partly due to its weight and less aerodynamic shape. Maintenance costs are high, thanks to premium components and advanced technology. Insurance premiums are substantial due to its value and performance capabilities. While the G-Class holds its value relatively well, ownership requires embracing its steep ongoing costs. It's unmatched in style and presence, appealing to those who prioritize luxury and are prepared for the financial commitment it demands. Number 7. The Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. The Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat pushes the boundaries of what an SUV can be, infusing muscle car performance into a family-friendly vehicle. Equipped with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine producing a staggering 710 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. This thrill ride, however, doesn't come cheap. With a starting price of approximately $97,500 and optional features like Brembo brakes, Bilstein dampers, and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, the cost can exceed $112,000. Fuel efficiency is a significant drawback, with EPA estimates of 13 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway, figures that are optimistic given its performance capabilities. The Durango SRT Hellcat's high fuel consumption and specialized parts lead to higher maintenance expenses. Its firm suspension improves handling but may reduce ride comfort on rough roads. This SUV is for those who crave adrenaline and can handle the accompanying costs, making it a choice that requires careful consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Number 6. The 2024 GMC Yukon. The 2024 GMC Yukon combines luxury with ruggedness, offering a sophisticated interior and a commanding presence on the road. The base model starts at $57,400, but opting for the Denali trim pushes the starting price over $70,000. Upgrading to the Denali Ultimate Package and adding luxury features can elevate the cost beyond $80,000. Engine options include a standard 5.3-liter V8 or an optional 6.2-liter V8, both delivering ample power but moderate fuel efficiency. Combined fuel economy ranges from 16 to 17 miles per gallon, varying by engine and drivetrain. Advanced features and premium materials result in costly repairs and maintenance. Additionally, high trims and powerful engines can increase insurance premiums. The Yukon is a strong contender for those seeking a luxury SUV but requires a significant financial investment. Assessing your priorities and finances is crucial to determine if it's the right fit for you. Number 5. The 2024 Nissan Armada. The 2024 Nissan Armada offers a powerful engine and a spacious interior, making it a compelling option for those needing roominess and towing capability. Powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine producing 400 horsepower, it delivers strong performance but at the cost of fuel efficiency. The base price is approximately $50,400, but platinum trims exceed $66,000. Options like the Captain's Chairs package, premium paints, and advanced technology upgrades add to the overall expense. Fuel efficiency is a significant concern, averaging 14 miles per gallon city, 19 miles per gallon highway, and 16 miles per gallon combined. Frequent refueling becomes a necessity, leading to higher operating costs. Maintenance expenses are higher due to its size, and the Armada may depreciate faster than some competitors. While it delivers on space and power, the potential strain on your budget over time is worth considering to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Number 4. The 2024 Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has a legendary reputation for reliability and off-road capability. Its rugged body-on-frame construction and available off-road features make it a favorite among enthusiasts. However, its aging design and technology might cost you more than expected. The base price starts around $37,000, but opting for the TRD Pro trim can push the price over $52,000. Extras like the kinetic dynamic suspension system and premium audio systems increase expenses further. Fuel efficiency is lackluster, with 16 miles per gallon city, 19 miles per gallon highway, and 17 miles per gallon combined, due to its older 4.0-liter V6 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission. Maintenance costs can add up, especially with its poor fuel economy, leading to frequent stops at the gas station. The body-on-frame design may reduce ride comfort compared to more modern unibody SUVs. While the 4Runner is dependable and excels off-road, it may not be the most cost-effective choice for daily driving, so weighing its strengths against operating costs is essential. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee blends luxury and rugged capability, offering a range of trims to suit different preferences. The base model starts around $40,000, but the Summit Reserve trim can exceed $66,000. High-end options like the Macintosh audio system and advanced safety features increase the price significantly. Engine choices range from a 3.6-liter V6 to a 5.7-liter V8, with fuel efficiency averaging 21 miles per gallon combined for V6 models and around 17 miles per gallon for V8s. There's also a 4xe plug-in hybrid model that offers better efficiency but comes with a higher upfront cost. Maintenance costs can be substantial due to advanced technology that may require expensive repairs. Reliability varies by model, and potential issues could lead to higher ownership costs. The Grand Cherokee offers much in terms of features and capability, but asks for a lot in return, making it important to consider all factors before making your decision. Number 2. The 2024 Cadillac Escalade. The 2024 Cadillac Escalade stands at the pinnacle of American luxury SUVs, offering a commanding presence and opulent features. Its massive dimensions provide ample space, and the interior is adorned with advanced technology, including a curved OLED display that spans 38 inches. The base price starts around $76,000, but platinum trims can exceed $100,000. Options like Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving technology, night vision, and rear seat entertainment systems add thousands to the price. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers strong performance but modest fuel efficiency at 15 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway. A 3.0-liter turbo diesel option offers slightly better efficiency but may not justify the additional cost for some buyers. Maintenance expenses can be significant due to the advanced technology that may require expensive repairs. Luxury SUVs like the Escalade can also experience substantial depreciation over time. While the Escalade offers luxury and space in abundance, ensuring that its benefits outweigh the substantial costs involved is crucial for prospective buyers. Number 1. The 2024 Land Rover Range Rover. The 2024 Land Rover Range Rover epitomizes luxury and off-road prowess. Its refined interior, advanced technology, and prestigious image are undeniably alluring. Offering a choice of engines, from a turbocharged inline-six to a supercharged V8, the Range Rover caters to different performance preferences. Maintaining such elegance doesn't come cheap, though. The base price starts around $92,000, but higher trims like the SV Autobiography Dynamic can exceed $180,000. Optional features such as premium leather, bespoke finishes, and advanced tech packages add to the cost significantly. Fuel efficiency varies from 16 to 23 miles per gallon combined, depending on the engine, with the vehicle's weight and luxury features contributing to moderate efficiency. Maintenance costs are steep due to premium parts and complex systems, and historically mixed reliability ratings may lead to unexpected expenses. The Range Rover is ideal for those who value prestige and are prepared for the associated costs, requiring deep pockets to maintain its opulence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching.